We got a funny one here. Lego wants to get in on the action, Will. Lego wants to get in on the Cybertruck action. A lot of people sent this one to me. They have their very own Cybertruck. It's a brickmobile. And they guarantee that their truck is shatterproof. The evolution of the truck is here, guaranteed shatterproof. It is a single Lego brick, the longer Lego brick, with some wheels on it. And they're just having a laugh.
Yeah, they're having fun with it.
They're just having a time. That's all that is. It's no hard feelings. They're jumping onto the thing, as we mentioned before. Lego having a bit of fun. It's kind of basic. They could have done better, no? Could they not have put a couple triangles on the top?
They could have, yeah. It
Wouldn't
would have been bigger.
Wouldn't that have been funny?
Yeah. Make it look like
a Cybertruck.
Cybertruck.
Maybe there's a reason they didn't. They wanted it to be really boxy, even lower polygon.
Yes.
No polygon count. But if you scroll down a little bit further in this article, you'll see an individual actually built their very own custom Lego Cybertruck. This guy is some kind of expert, Peter Blackert, and he recreated. And he posted it on Flickr. How about that? Talk about cyber.
That name in a while.
Talk about cyberspace. Talk about MySpace.
GeoCities.
Yeah, talk about GeoCities. So he did this obviously using pieces he had lying around, which is pretty impressive. That's not an official kit. And he's got Elon in front of it as well, in the black outfit. And he's got the Cyber Quad in the back. So that's a much cooler, and who knows? Maybe they squash the beef, or they have a laugh together, Lego and Tesla. They work it out, and then you've got your very own official Lego Cybertruck that the kids can buy and imagine owning their own one day. Wouldn't that be nice, Will?